Welcome to the grand tour of the Arizona Department of Public Safety, the vanguard of security licensing process in the heart of the Grand Canyon State. This esteemed department is your passport to a rewarding career as a security guard, offering the necessary training and licensing for both unarmed and armed personnel. First, let's lay down the basics. To become an unarmed security guard in Arizona, you must be at least 18 years old, a U.S. citizen or legal resident, and hold a high school diploma or equivalent. In addition, you need to pass a criminal background check to ensure you're upstanding and trustworthy, but that's not all. You'll also need to complete 8 hours of pre-assignment training covering topics like report writing, emergency response, and legal issues. Now, don't worry about keeping up with the legal jargon. The Arizona Department of Public Safety has got you covered with comprehensive and easy-to-understand training. Now, if you're aiming to be an armed security guard, the stakes are a bit higher. You must be at least 21 years old with the same citizenship and education requirements. Moreover, you'll need to pass a more rigorous background check and a mental health examination. But wait, there's more. The training for armed guards is a bit more intensive. You'll need to complete 16 hours of firearms training and an additional 16 hours of security guard training. And remember, a yearly 8-hour refresher course is mandatory to keep your skills sharp and your license valid. Speaking of licenses, let's talk fees. For unarmed guards, the licensing fee is a modest $50, while armed guards need to shell out $100. Remember, investing in your career will always yield great returns. In summary, becoming a licensed security guard in Arizona involves meeting specific age, citizenship, and education requirements, passing background checks, and completing necessary training. Armed guards have additional requirements, and both roles come with modest licensing fees. Whether you're patrolling the sun-soaked streets of Phoenix or guarding the breathtaking vistas of the Grand Canyon, the Arizona Department of Public Safety is your partner in ensuring a safe and secure Arizona. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.